Welcome to Update Your Migrated Courses in Canvas. In this portion, we will discuss setting up your gradebook. Next, you're going to want to update your grades. When you update your gradebook in Canvas, it's important to remember that the assignments page and the grades page work in tandem with each other. The assignments page functions like the top row in an old gradebook where you hand wrote the name of each assignment. The order on the assignments page dictates the order in your gradebook. You'll want to make sure when you click Grades in the course navigation menu that the gradebook is organized as you intended. If you're not sure how to navigate back to the course from the gradebook, on the top left, select the 3 lines menu, and that opens the course navigation menu back up. Again, the order that you see items in your gradebook correlates to the order in which you see them in your assignments. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.